Oh, BubblyNet. Not yeah. Welcome to another CTAC Studios video. My name is Justin. I work here in your controls department, as you know. And today I get to introduce to you one of our newest systems, BubblyNet. BubblyNet is a Bluetooth mesh-based system that can do up to 32,000 nodes in a single system without a head end or a server required. I'm literally just going to use my cell phone to program that system, again, up to 32,000 different nodes, which is a single device. So why are we excited here at CTAC about BubblyNet? It is because this control system solves so many issues that we face when we're designing a system because of the expansive capabilities that this system brings to the table, such as our different dim types from 0 to 10 volt to phase dimming, both forward and reverse. Don't forget your ELV. Also, I can do a full universe of DMX with just this device here. Let's go ahead and zoom in, camera. You see that? Full universe with just this little device of DMX. If you have ever had to do anything with DMX, you know how big of a deal that is. Our wall stations with BubblyNet can do up to 64 different scenes. Yeah, try that one on for size. And don't forget, we can also add a touchscreen. Any Apple device or Android device can become a touchscreen for this system here. And don't forget about your occupancy sensors, both occupancy and daylight at the same time. And I even have different color options for my sensors. Very few systems have that. Some other added features that make this system incredible is the optional head end that you can add if you need to do anything at a higher level for integration such as your BMS system, your building management, or anything further from back-end integration and the like. Expanding beyond the typical fixture controllers, which we just talked about, we can dive into our fixture drivers, which allow us to replace the driver in any light fixture and control it using a BubblyNet Bluetooth driver. BubblyNet offers us a complete control solution, from our fixture controllers to drivers to our sensors to our wall stations. We literally cover it all with BubblyNet, and it all comes together in a single system. Remember, 32,000 devices can come together in a single system programmed with one application on a mobile device. That is incredible. So if you have any questions about BubblyNet, or if you want to learn more about it, please give us a call at CTAC Lighting and Controls.
Hey everyone, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos.